Hey, welcome back. Today is January 1st, 2021, and Happy New Year's, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. On this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action and how they could affect the altcoin markets, generally speaking, before diving into Ripple and Stellar XRP and XLM USD. See what has changed in these two markets since the last time we have spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on these markets, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't really have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. I do like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance over anything. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin or would it be altcoins? The time frame I am actually looking at on Bitcoin dominance on the hourly time frame, where I do see a possible cup and handle pattern actually playing out right now. If this actually does play out like it generally does to the upside, I would expect Bitcoin dominance to continue trending upwards in the short-term future. This may not be as good for trading altcoins as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance trends downwards. And if Bitcoin dominance trends upwards while Bitcoin price action is pulling back, this tells me that it could take quite a bit of the altcoins down with it, as we have seen for the past couple of weeks. So trading altcoins under these circumstances, I would take what I just said into consideration. Now, let's also take a look into Bitcoin price action, as I am seeing right now that it is actually running within a rising wedge pattern instead, because we had initially we had an ascending triangle pattern here, as I have mentioned in the past 2 posts. And however, right now the price action has actually broken on top of the top trend line and has broken below this bottom trend line. So I had to adjust it. Now it actually looks more like a rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge patterns, 60% chance of it breaking downwards. It actually does break downwards by, let's say, tomorrow by 3 o'clock UTC, I will have a measured target of about 27.8K. Let's see if Bitcoin price action can actually overcome this rising wedge pattern here. If not, I'll be looking for a possible breakdown here. And if Bitcoin dominance trends upwards while this is breaking down, like I said, it could take quite a bit of the altcoins down with it. Now, let's take a look into XRP first and see what exactly is going on in XRP USD. Since the last time we have spoken, I did say that there was a ascending triangle pattern that was forming with the top trend line to be at about 24 cents. However, price action has not been able to keep that top trend line intact. Right now, it does seem like it did form a symmetrical triangle pattern instead, which I had adjusted here. The measured target of the symmetrical triangle pattern now is about 28 cents or slightly under, and price action has tried to break above this fib level right here at about 24, slightly over 24 cents, and try to get a close above this fib level right here. However, it did take a pullback right here due to possible bearish divergence on the hourly time frame here. So it pulled back to the 21 simple moving average. Right now, it is being supported by that 21 simple moving average right here, which is the blue line. Now, let me also point out that there is still possible bullish divergence on the daily time frame, and let's see if this actually plays out here, because it could be a catalyst for at least some type of reversal before seeing if the price action will continue or will it actually pull right back. Now, let's go back to the hourly time frame and let me discuss why I said the hourly and 50 simple moving averages has been important on this time frame, because the blue line and the white line right here, the blue line is the 21, the white line is the 50, has been serving as the signal since this downtrend right here at about 58 cents, and price action had not been able to successfully close close back above these two moving averages and staying above these two moving averages. We had briefly some price action closing back above on these two moving averages before collapsing again, and then still struggling to get back on top of these two moving averages until now. So staying on top of these two moving averages is an important signal for me to expect the likelihood of upward price action coming from here. Now, let's also take a look into the 200 simple moving average, which is the orange line right here. Has not even been touched since the downtrend of back in about 57, 58 cents. And now the price action is actually getting pretty close to the 200 simple moving average again. So that is something I'll be paying attention to, because getting back on top of this moving average, the 200 on the hourly, could be significant and could be the signal of more upward price action to come if the price action stays above these moving averages. Now, same narrative on the 4-hour time frame. The signal here I'm looking for is the 21 simple moving average for basically the same reason I just said, but the price action is staying above the 21 simple moving average right now, so that's a good sign. Now it is looking to get in contact with the 50 simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Getting back on top of this moving average would be further confirmation that this could be a trend reversal. And then lastly, the 6-hour 21 simple moving average, which the price action is right at. This is also the signal on the 6-hour time frame, and these are the smaller time frames I'm focusing on before actually looking into some of the bigger time frames. Now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. The bullish case scenario, very clear. If the price action goes towards its measured target of about 28 cents, slightly under that. Of course, measured targets may or may not be reached. It is only theory, and there's still quite a bit of resistance between the price action now and that measured target, of course, including the hourly 200 simple moving average right here, the orange line. The 4-hour 50, the white line. The 6-hour 21, which is the price action is right above the 6-hour 21 simple moving average right now. So if it could stay above it, that would be a good sign that it could be going towards its measured targets. And of course, like I said, there is still possible bullish divergence on the daily time frame as well. So that could be a catalyst for either a short reversal or a start of a more extensive reversal. Now let's take a look into the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, since the price action has actually just broken back on top of these important signals right here, it would look very bad that it would if the price action starts breaking back below it, starting from the hourly time frame, the 21, the 50. The 50 is about 22.5 cents. And then lastly, the 4-hour 21 simple moving average. Now these are the moving averages that the price action has actually just built support back on. So breaking back below these moving averages tells me it's a bad sign, and that this could possibly not be the reversal that the bulls are looking for. So staying on top of the hourly 21, 50, and the 4-hour 21 so far right now is crucial. If the price action closes back below these moving averages, that's a bad sign. The likelihood of this reversal may be delayed, or more downward price action could actually be coming. Now let's take a look into the XLM markets. On XLM, since the last time we have spoken, I did say that the bearish case scenario here was for the price action to actually get a 3-day candle close below this 3-day 21 simple moving average. And now that support has now become resistance. It is not good, because this tells me the price action could be spending more time to get back on top of this resistance that was the past support. Now, it's still running within this falling wedge pattern. Like I have mentioned, I did adjust the bottom trend line here to adjust for some of the more downward price action that has been happening. So now this falling wedge pattern, this bottom trend line here is at about 12 cents, slightly under 12 cents. And that seems to be where the price action is heading right now, if it does not break back on top of this 3-day 21 simple moving average. So that is very short evaluation. What XLM has been doing, has not been doing too much except for continuing downwards towards this falling wedge pattern and actually breaking below the previous bottom trend line, and now I had to adjust the bottom trend line and adjust for and accommodate for a even steeper falling wedge pattern here. Now let's take a look onto what could possibly happen if the price action actually breaks this bottom trend line. I do have the 3-day 50 simple moving average. That's about 11 cents, slightly under. And then the 0.38 fib level at about 10.6 cents. And of course, the weekly 21 simple moving average at about 11 cents right now, slightly under that. So these are going to be the key supports I'm looking at if the price action actually breaks this bottom trend line now. Now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario, if price action can actually get back on top of this 3-day 21 simple moving average, get it close above this 3-day 21 simple moving average, staying on top of this 21 simple moving average after getting above on it, this tells me the likelihood of the swing going back to the top trend line of this falling wedge pattern would be more likely. Now the bearish case scenario, pretty much if the price action breaks this bottom trend line, then the supports I have just mentioned would be what I'm looking at and see if the price action can actually bounce from there, or would it be going further down. Now these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today for XLM and XRP. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.